Okay, so kind of created myself a little clean surface here. Whatever. So we're only going to play with these guys. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the cams, the new cams. These are the Feuling Reaper cams. These are the, which ones did I get? The 574 cams. So these cams, when I was looking at the website, they recommend that you change out the pushrods and the lifters, just because I guess they generate a little bit more power, a little bit tighter fit. You don't want to destroy your stock pushrods and lifters. That's it in the box. So, new cams. Okay, so now we'll just start dismantling this guy. Dismantling fucking cars. So this one's got a washer. I don't remember that one. And this one's got one of those retaining clip things, which are the most fucking pain in the ass thing in the world to take off. Clean it up a bit so it's not so slippery, but yeah, I hate those things. I got one of these bad boys. I'll try to zoom in. Do it right there. Okay. So, these guys fit? Yeah, they fit right in. Yeah. Yeah. So if you got a good set of these clamp thingies, it makes your life easier. So yeah, save that. I like how I do these, like I know what I'm doing. Like I'm like, yeah, you're gonna save this for later, and yeah, make sure you get yourself a good set of tools. You know, it makes all the world of difference. That's the truth, though. Getting the right tools makes the projects a million times easier. Wow, that's not coming out. Whatever. It's not important. It's just a washer. So now we have to loosen up the whatchamacallit, the chain tensioner, 3/16. Yes, it is. So what you essentially do is you loosen them up, but only removing one side, just to avoid putting it all back together. But out it goes, and then the whole thing just swings out of the way, and it can fall out just like the other one. They should just fucking come out. Here, let's see this guy here, because I'm fucking losing. Same with this. There we go. Boom. So now I'm pretty much just gonna try to do it exactly as I see it now. So this guy on this guy, this guy here. So now we'll take this one off. Remember that one in there, and then this one goes here, and this one goes higher. So now the goal is to get the timing right. So you're gonna have to match this guy and this guy all in there. So you mess around with it, try to get it in the right spot. If these aren't correct, it'll be like my dirt bike project where nothing happens. Alright guys, so you can see there. Boom. Boom goes the dynamite. So now we're gonna use some assembly lube to slide these back in. Because these are fucking fresh. There's no oil on these cams. Ah. So yeah, once you install them, oh shit, why is that not? I feel like it's not on correctly here. Alright, so now that the new one's on, put the tensioner back on here. So originally I was gonna buy like the whole cam chest, but it's like 1,300 bucks. At least for the Feuling one. And I thought, nah. Alright, let's torque those correctly. Alright guys, so I made a mistake here. We just gotta, we need to Loctite these guys. These two. This fucking assembly lube smells like cinnamon. It's fucking, this smells delicious. So it's gonna be 120 pounds. So the torque specs don't come with the installation guide or whatever. That guide that comes with the cams is useless. But the torque specs are in your service manual. Again, get yourself a service manual. Okay. Go. So like I said before, there's a pump O-ring, the one that goes here. On mine it stayed, so I'm just gonna pull that out and swap it out with the new one. So there's the old one. I'm gonna put the new one in, and it looks like I got new O-rings for this one and this one in the kit. So this whole gasket is going to be changed out too. Just trying to clean it up because you want a clean surface when you put the gasket in. So I got a new O-rings on these guys. These guys. Pop them in. Yeah. So now we've got a new O-ring on here. Get this in here. We're gonna add some assembly. Feuling Cams. Boom. In it goes. Gonna start seating all these bolts in slightly. I'm sure they have a pattern. Okay guys, so the sequence is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And the torque's 120 inches. Hey guys, so I installed the installed all these bolts, but I forgot to put Loctite on them. So yeah, just remember that blue Loctite on all these guys. Yeah, so I left this guy as is. Didn't touch it. So I think what I'm going to do is put them in the chain. Yeah, because these guys need to be they need to be straight. You know, they need to be dot to dot. Son of a bitch. So yeah, guys, this is fucking hard. You're still on, yeah. So basically, is this one's stationary, so what we have to do is get that one in first. Once that one is in, then we can get the other one in by turning the wheel. This is honestly very, very frustrating. Cause you get that top one and the bottom one is like pretty much there. Ugh. You know? There we go. Motherfucking shit. Boom. Dots lined up. Good guy. Good guy. These guys are red. Pt.2 red Loctite. Oh yeah, before we can tighten these nuts, we have to drop the bike. So, according to this, we tighten both of these to 15 initially. 15 foot-pounds. Then you back them up. Full 360s. So. Full 360. final torque of the top one is 34 foot-pounds. The bottom is 24. Okay, so now we got the cover, and we've got a brand new gasket. We're gonna put that on now. Clean up some of this oil. One more time. I'm just gonna leave it snug like that, just so no dust gets in. I'm gonna start getting the lifters ready. This gasket off.